from tomorrow onward, I'll be teaching you about the social welfares, type of social welfares, how Kenyans benefit from those social welfares, which ministries that deals with the social welfares. I'll teach you all things related to each and every ministry kuanzia kesho. Sasa tutaenda hivyo kama tunafafanua mambo mingi ya vile serikali inafaa kumanajiwa, and you will see ni competence tukoragwo nayo thĩinĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya, no nĩkĩo ũrona ũtongoria ta ũyũ ũramahũra cenga, tondũ matiramenya which line to fall for a certain service delivery, for a certain service, social service delivery. Tutasoma mambo haswa hizi ministries za social welfares. Nitawasomesha kidogo kidogo hivi, nanyi muendelee hivyo kuniunga mkono. Join Worldwide International TV for these good outlets news. Asanteni sana na muthi na mbere na kuni support. Continue supporting me.